Alright, so here's the Type 56 rifle. To operate it, this is safe, this is full auto, this is semi, okay? So to prove it, remove the top cover first, plug in the battery right here, stick the battery inside here.
I want to get used to possible.
Hold on. There we go. Okay. So this is safe. All the way is semi. Middle is full auto. Oh. Semi. Full auto. Okay.
Wait.
What?
I don't think it's recording, right?
No, it's recording.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay. So back to safe, back to semi. Press a few times after you remove the mag, and then set it back to safe. This ensures that the spring inside is reset back to open. And when you're done playing, remove the battery, like so. And you can, here, when I put in the dust cover, you can adjust the hop up right here. Right now it's set to 2. If the BB's curving too much downwards, you can set the hop up to number 5 as an example right here, okay? It's a rotary hop up. Now, in regards to the bayonet feature, you need to push it back. You need to pull, then bring it all the way to the front, and then you need to pull, then lock it in position, like that. This is rubber or bendy plastic. However, I don't really recommend stabbing people because I don't want to stamp. But I mean, it's a feature, so take it or leave it. If you want to put it back, you need to pull, then push it back in like that. Okay. So again, pull, 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 put it back in. Done. All right. Thank you.